If you are an Amazon self-publisher, a ghostwriter, or a non-fiction writer, you well know that keyword research and competition analysis on Amazon are fundamental parts of your job. But you also know that once you've identified a keyword or a category under which to publish, it's crucial that your book fits perfectly within the context and aligns with your readers' interests. To meet your needs, Rightner has developed a book design and creation tool named Nonfiction Book Builder. This tool aims to guide you in creating your book starting from the analysis of bestseller texts, taken from Amazon or any other marketplace, or the identified target audience. Let's start by collecting some titles that are selling on Amazon. For this example, we've copied and pasted into a Word file some of the best-selling books currently in the health, fitness and dieting category. During your work, you might instead choose the top 5 or 10 books that rank in the identified keyword. It's up to you to select the titles you're interested in analyzing. Let's now enter the nonfiction bestseller title analysis template, choose the output language, input the list of books, the category or the keyword, and click on Generate Text. This template returns a thorough analysis of the texts, including target audience, patterns and similarities, fundamental principles, identified problem, and some related keywords. Let's copy and save this report for future reference in our work. At this point, we'll use this report with the second template, Nonfiction Book Idea Creation. Here we will get an initial idea of the book that best fits within the context identified by the previous analysis. We proceed by inputting the report, choosing the output language, and clicking on Generate Text. We will get a book idea containing a title and a proposed solution, 3 alternative titles, unique selling points, and the main themes to be addressed in the proposed book. Remember that you can regenerate this output as many times as you want, perhaps varying the level of creativity or the bestseller analysis. When you've got the book concept that meets your needs, copy it and save it to a file for future reference. Another way to get the desired book concept is by starting from the target audience. With the third template, Target Audience for Bestseller, we get a psychographic report of our audience. We copy and save it to our file. While with the fifth template, Nonfiction Book Idea Creation from Target Audience Analysis, we can get another book concept proposal, but this time based on the previous report obtained on the target audience. Also in this case, we can regenerate as many times as we want to get numerous variations and further proposals, until we've found the perfect book concept for our needs based on the given data. The fourth template, Data Shrinker, is used to reduce the data of the psychographic report if it is too long for use with AI. An additional and valuable tool for generating ideas and new keywords comes from template number 6, Nonfiction Keyword and Title Generator. Here we will get 20 further potential titles and subtitles perfectly consistent with the analyzed search intent. We can evaluate these additional titles and possibly get a third book concept using the seventh template, Nonfiction Book Idea from Title. If among the newly obtained titles there is one that convinces us, we input it into this template along with the target audience report, and magically we will have an additional book concept perfectly consistent with the expectations of its target readers. At this point, we should have identified the book we want to write through a powerful title and a general idea of its content. We are ready to generate a table of contents with template number 8, Table of Contents for Nonfiction Book. We input the title, the book concept, and click on Generate Text. We also copy and save this invaluable result to our file. With the next step, we'll let the AI tell us what the content of all the chapters and paragraphs of our table of contents will be. In template number 9, Chapter and Paragraph Expansion, we first input the entire table of contents that the machine will use as a reference to ensure content consistency. Then specify which paragraph we are asking for expansion for, and finally for which paragraphs we've already obtained it. In this way, the AI knows all the topics to cover, those it is covering, and those already covered, thus producing always consistent and top-quality output. We repeat this step for all items in the table of contents, until we have a complete design of all the contents of our book. From our point of view, this is the perfect project to deliver to our ghostwriter. Whether we are going to write the book ourselves or have someone else write it, this is the correct starting point to communicate top-notch content quality and impeccable design, capable of resonating with our audience and fitting perfectly within the context of the target market. But Rightner doesn't leave you there. If you want to go even further, with template number 10, Paragraph Expander, you can have the AI write your entire book. You just need to input all the topics to cover, for each paragraph, in the appropriate box. The AI will write all the content for your book for you. Once you're done, you'll just need to review the text, modify it, add or remove something to give it that human touch that the machine is not yet capable of achieving. In the end, your book will be ready for publication. But before you finish your project, Rightner still has something for you. With template number 11, Amazon Book Description Creation, you'll get a perfect product description to put on Amazon. Even already formatted in HTML. Input a brief description of the book, the title, the publishing category, and some key points to highlight. Click on Generate Text and you're done. If you want to use a pen name, template number 12, Fictional Author Profile, will provide you with an author name and a brief bio to use for your back cover. And, speaking of the back cover, the last template in this sequence, Book Cover Blurb Creation, will also provide interesting content to write on the cover. Don't forget that Rightner is the only tool you need when it comes to creativity in the world of writing. If you want some ideas on a possible cover image for your book, go to Templates, click on General Designer or search for Cover Designer. Enter this template and provide a description of the image you'd like to see on your book. Under Cover Type, write Book or eBook, and click on Generate Text. Once you have the prompts for image generation, go to AI Images and get your cover image directly on Rightner. At this point, you're really ready for the publication of your book. As you've seen, Rightner's nonfiction book builder is the most advanced tool out there to assist you in writing a book. And it's just a few clicks away from you. Sign up for Rightner now by clicking on Start for free and receive the first 10,000 words as a gift. No credit card is required. You can try all its features, without limits, and at the end decide whether to subscribe. See you soon on Rightner.